Gotta take the cans back. 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 But I gotta wait for my girl to come over. Tell her to come over, E-Rock, and I will love you forever. But all I got right now is this chocolate bunny, and I can't wait to eat it because I'm so hungry. Oh. Hey, Rock. I'm just so excited to eat this. You don't even know. Like, look at it. Like, doesn't it look so good? Like, oh my gosh. You know, he was holding the basketball. I don't know where it went. Oh well. What's up? Yeah, I'm gonna put this on YouTube just so I can send it to you. Like, why would I put it on your wall so everybody can see this? You wanna hang out with me and Merce today? Huh? Yeah? Huh? Oh, I'm so bored. I try to send that nigga a message. That girl a message. And she didn't reply to me. Why she didn't do it? I could put milk in this. And I could drink it. Well, you make me a video back now, you heard? Oh, and that rap in the beginning, I did that especially for you. See ya.